Hey Del Val, it's time to make your course selections for next school year. This is a tutorial on how to make selections in PowerSchool. You'll need to sign into PowerSchool website using a web browser like Chrome or Safari in order to make your selections. Course registration will not work on the PowerSchool app on your Del Val iPad. First, browse to www.dvrhs.org, then go to the Student and Parents tab. Click on Student Portals option. You can then select PowerSchool from the list that appears. Sign into PowerSchool using your Del Val username and password and click Sign In at the bottom of the page. From the left-hand menu, select the class registration icon to go to the class registration system section. In the center of the screen, you will see your options for both required and elective course selections. Items with red exclamation points to the right are required items, and you must make a selection for this section in order to continue. To start, click on the pencil icon that appears to the far right of the subject. At the top of the pop-up window, you will see a message about making your selections for this item. Click the box to the left of the course name that you select and hit OK when you have finished your selections for that specific item. Continue to move through your selections by clicking on the pencils to the far right of the subjects and making your selections. Please note that some items may have more than one page of selections that you can choose from. Click through the pages to see all of your selections. Items with green check marks are optional. You may make additional selections if there are courses that you may wish to take. Keep in mind the course requirements that you may still need to meet in order to qualify for graduation. At the bottom of the page, you will see the minimum and maximum credits that you can request, as well as the total number of credits you are requesting. Remember, alternate electives do not count towards your requesting total credits. It is important to note that some prerequisites or additional requirements may be needed to be met before you can select an option. Once you are done making your selections, you will hit Submit at the bottom of the page. This will bring you to a window that will show you a listing of all of your selections. The counselors will start meeting with you once we return back from winter break. You may log back into PowerSchool at any time between now and then to make additional changes or selections. Once you have met with your counselor, you must contact him or her to make any additional changes. Remember, to graduate, you must meet all of your course requirements and complete at least 120 credits over your 4 years of high school. Please refer to the Program of Studies course guide under the Academics tab on the DVRHS website for additional details about courses and requirements.